I'm back. How is your learning going on? Hope it is good and you're implementing whatever you're learning in your life, right? So here I am with the next topic called always what they want to see first. Whenever the customer, whatever the product you might be selling in, when the customer is asking you for something is different, and before the customer, once he walked into your office and once he called your office or you met him, ask what he is looking for. Know what his budget is. Know how much he can afford for. And what is the facilities he is looking for. That is very, very important, my dear friends, because the customer's mind is already set and he came with some prepared budget where you can implement it. You just have to show him the solution what he was looking for. So he already know what he wanted, and he might be asking what is the market prices are going on right now, or he might looking for some solution from you. Whatever the product it might be, first ask what they want to see. That is one of the important, my dear friends, in the whole process, because they came with already mindset what they wanted. You cannot neglect anything here. For example, let's take, you might be selling houses, you might be in a housing industry, you might be selling villas which cost nearly 1 CR to 2 CR villas, or you might be selling a small apartment flats. I'm just saying example, whatever your product might be, you need to ask the facilities what the customer is looking for. You need to ask, you need to question what their budget is. Very, very important point. With that only everything is linked. You might be came to develop a website from you. You need to ask the question very clearly, what is your budget, sir? The first question to any customer will ask, what is your budget, sir? According to his budget only we'll have the plan, then only we can execute. See, asking them what they want to see first is very important. They might have been settled with their standard of their brain. I always want a house near to the sea view. That's my opinion. I should walk and go and sit in front of the sea every day. That's my dream. If you ask me what you want, I'm clear. Since very long, I wanted a house near to a sea where I can just walk and sit in front of the sea and watch the waves, where I can relax my mind. That's my dream. That's what I wanted. So, customer will have already some points in their brain they fixed. You might be in car sales. The customer is looking to build his loyalty, or the customer is looking for to build their standards. What is the budget? The customer is looking to develop his status. He wants some status branded stuff. Or the customer is looking for more mileage. Or the customer is looking for more kind of comfort. But these all things comes with the budget. First we know his budget. We are done with half of the work. When you are asking questions to the customer, you should be very clear with the points. What is the budget? What is the reason you are looking for? What is the need? That's it. You are clear with your questions. You will get all the answers. But don't forget to ask first. Ask. Don't judge anyone. Don't judge anyone. Some might not have that kind of budget. When you show them something, they may get convinced and they can arrange the budget. So always ask first what they want. Don't forget this. This is one of the major points in this 52 steps. This is one of the major point, my dear friends. We will keep on explaining about our product. Always we will be in our shoes only. We will not even think what customer is looking for. We will neither bother about it. We nor listen to him. Stop doing this. Stop doing this, my dear friends. Why I am telling you is, first understanding the customer is very, very, very important. Then only you can provide him the perfect solution. When you provide him the perfect solution, the customer will come back to you again and again. He will not go ahead and choose someone else. When you have the perfect solution, the customer will not go anywhere. It's all interlinked. It's all interlinked. When you won't probe the customer, when you don't ask the questions, the customer will not understand, or you will not understand the customer forever. I'm telling you, forever. So be clear with the questions what you have to ask. Then only you can understand what the customer is looking for. So you will be ready and you will be prepared. If you are going with one strong product into the market, you should know the category of the customers and your target audience. If you are selling an hair dye, to whom? Who is your target customers? Whoever is 30 above. Their hair is dyed. They need dye to. Their need is to dye the hair. They'll buy the hair color. Are you clear? Are you clear with your target audience? Then you are clear with your objective. If your objective is clear, your target is clear. When your target is clear, your arrow is clear. Your arrow is clear, your solution is there. Your solution is there, you are done with your sale. This is all interlinked, my dear. This is all interlinked, my dear friends. You just need to understand the theory, that's it. The sales is nothing but a mind game. The sale is nothing but a mind game. You're playing with mindsets. Mind is an ocean. You cannot understand one's mind. You cannot learn anything from one by their looks or by their noddings. Some people will be sleeping in their brain and they'll be nodding in the class. I've seen so many people. Oh, we'll think they're learning a lot. But they'll put their mind in sleep mode. Their eyes are open, they'll be nodding. We'll think that they are learning very well. No. Every teacher will understand this. Who's nodding their minds or who's nodding their heads. So my dear friends, be clear with your target. Be clear with the customer what always want to see first. I hope you got this formula. See, this 52 steps is killer steps, my dear friends. If you learned this each and every step, you are 20 years ahead in your career. You are 20 years ahead in your career, which I learned in my whole journey of life. If you just want to left beyond like everyone, just leave beyond. No one cares either you are growing or not. No one bothers. We are staying in a very competitive world. Very competitive world. Our own brothers and sisters are not happy with our success. We will think our own. No one will be happy with your success, my dear friends. Once you have success, everyone comes around you. So be successful, be growthful, be goalful. Target on your goal and try to reach your goal. Don't waste your time. I think you are not among them. If you are among them, you might not listening this today. Thank you very much for listening to me. Thank you very much.